Jensen, and I'm lucky enough to be the chairman and executive vice president of St. Onge Company.
So tell me, what do you want prospects or current customers to know about?
Well, I think the most unique thing about St. Onge Company is we are completely independent. You know, we're here at a trade show with almost 1,000 exhibitors, and part of our job is to guide our clients through how to select what services, equipment, systems those providers can give them that best suit their operation, their needs, their supply chain. Therefore, we have no alignment with any other supplier. We're really a client advocate. I think that's the most important and unique thing. It's becoming a very rare thing to find in our industry.
What gives you guys a competitive edge?
That independence gives us a huge competitive edge. The other thing, because we are engineering consultants, and we like to put engineering in front of consultants because we are engineers at heart, we've got a tremendous amount of tenure for a consultancy. The average tenure of a St. Onge employee is 11 years. The average tenure of a St. Onge engineer is 12. So our admin staff turns a little bit faster than our engineers, but look at consultancies, 12 years average tenure is phenomenal. So you've got experience, you've got a core team that works together all the time so that we can bring those positives to our clients.
Okay, and tell me, do you guys have any new services that you wanted to discuss?
Well, we've actually built upon our services, which start with the classic block and tackling of designing facilities and performing network analyses, what we call inside and outside the four walls. Over the years, we've added inventory optimization to that, 3PL procurement, should I outsource my operation, and if so, to whom? And as we built up this repertoire of supply chain services, we realized we've covered from stem to stern, from source of supply to final customer destination. So about 5 years ago, we added what we call supply chain assessment and supply chain optimization. We can look at the highest level of your supply chain, work with your C-suite, and take major buckets of opportunity, place them in front of you, and show you where to direct your attention. If you need our assistance to then take advantage of those opportunities, we can dive as deep as you want in any one of those areas because we built that practice from the ground up. Most other business consultancies and accountant firms who do the supply chain assessments work from the top down. So if you need help with a particular, well, what robot should I use? Now that you've identified that labor is my problem, they really can't do that. They'll bring in another party to do it. Occasionally they bring us in. But we can give the client from start to finish the highest level of supply chain assessment all the way down to the detailed implementation assistance they might need.
Fantastic. What would you say is the perfect customer? Like who do you want?
The perfect customer is a customer that understands the value of experience, understands the value of somebody who's not just going to tell them what they may want to hear. Many times consultants are brought in and told, well, we really think this is what we really need, and well, lo and behold, that becomes the answer. Sometimes it is, because sometimes a client knows what they need and they're looking for confirmation. But our biggest value to a client is to say, you might want to think about it this way, and help them not make an errant decision. We don't always gain in popularity because of that, but it's the right thing to do for our clients.